So if you're not sold on smartwatches and they're not necessarily feasible to you, or they just don't fit your style, then you can kind of see why smart rings are becoming very popular alternatives. The thinnest and lightest smart ring out there right now is a Ringconn Gen 2, which is not only devilishly discreet, has a few exclusive functions baked in. We've partnered with Ringconn to give you a full lowdown, and as someone who's never worn a ring before in my life, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how good this is. Before we get deep into the video though, Ringconn is actually going to be offering Prime Day discounts, which will offer the biggest sale ever on the Gen 2, with discounts of up to 30% on this particular wearable, so make sure you order a sizing kit from Ringconn Direct to determine which is the perfect fit for your digits. But let's get into some of the details of this fantastic wearable. Let's get those core details out of the way first though. This is a beautifully crafted piece of titanium alloy with all of that tech packed into the svelte frame. It's just 2mm at its thinnest point and a mere 6.8mm wide, making it perfect to just put on your finger and forget about. Depending on the size, this ring also weighs in at just between 2 and 3 grams, and there are 4 colours to choose from. I went with a future silver option with this super sleek wearable, and the 12-day maximum battery life I think is exciting, coming from what I'm used to with 2-day smartwatches that you have to charge a lot more regularly. Just chuck the ring into the charging carry case, and if that is fully charged itself, you can get a potential 150 days or almost half a year of usage in some cases by doing so. Pretty impressive numbers if you ask me. The Ringconn Gen 2 is also IP68 rated, so it's safe in the water, up to 100 meters or 10 ATM. So even divers, if you're a diver out there, you can get tracking your vitals underwater. Let's talk about the tracking for a moment, as this is a discrete fitness tracker in all but name, and discrete is the name of the game. It tracks all of the main bases, including heart rate 24/7 actually, step counting, distance tracking for your runs, walks and workouts, stress level management, and menstrual cycle tracking as well. Plus, sleep management is also included, and that is the ace up its sleeve, as there is sleep apnea monitoring, which is only available on this Ringconn wearable. So if you suffer from sleep apnea, Ringconn has you covered. All of the fitness data can be synced with Google Fit if you want to, or you can use the Ringconn application with detailed metrics for all of those bases I just mentioned. One of the biggest bonuses with the Ringconn lineup is there are 0 subscription fees once you've purchased one. Everything is included in the entry price, so no sneaky upsells or extras hidden behind paywalls. Full tracking for a one-time fee, which is something more companies could definitely learn from. If you're sick of wearing a smartwatch and do want something more discreet, then I have to say Ringconn has you very much covered with the Gen 2. I think it's the perfect candidate for the active Android user. And to learn more, visit all the links in the description, and do remember to order a sizing kit before you purchase so you can get that perfect fit for any one of your fingers. And a huge shout out to Ringconn for the support here on the 9to5 Google YouTube channel.